Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this amazing cream for face and body with simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. It's so easy and simple and the result just amazing. Well, let's get started. All we need is about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix coconut oil and sesame oil well and add aloe vera gel. Mix well. Now add vitamin E and mix well. Transfer the mixture to a clean, airtight jar or container. Ensure that your hands and face are clean before applying the cream. Take a small amount of the cream and gently massage it onto your body or face in circular motions until fully absorbed. Coconut oil and sesame oil are known for their moisturizing properties and can help nourish and hydrate the skin. Aloe vera gel is soothing and can help calm irritated skin while providing additional hydration. Vitamin E oil is believed to have antioxidant properties that can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promote skin health. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.